Horsetail, Equisetum arvense, is an herbal remedy that dates back to ancient Roman and Greek times. It was used traditionally to stop bleeding, heal ulcers and wounds, and treat tuberculosis and kidney problems. The name Equisetum is derived from the Latin roots equus, meaning horse, and seta, meaning bristle. What is horsetail good for? Horsetail is a plant. The above ground parts are used to make medicine. Horsetail is used for fluid retention, edema, kidney and bladder stones, urinary tract infections, the inability to control urination, incontinence, and general disturbances of the kidney and bladder. Is horsetail good for hair growth? Because of its silica content, horsetail is also useful when trying to stimulate hair growth. The herb rejuvenates your hair, adding sheen to the appearance and strength to the hair shafts. It also contains selenium and cysteine, which are known to promote healthy hair growth. Is horsetail good for your skin? Horsetail is most often found in cleansing products like washes, shampoos, and conditioners. It contains antioxidants and has skin-smoothing properties that can help wash away dead skin cells and promote new skin cell generation, which means it helps you look younger too.